Still looking for charging cable everywhere? Quickly try the beautiful and super cute decorative charging cable. There are many styles to select. Hanging on the back and the keychain look good and individual. Also, never be afraid to find the charging cable. One cable can suit 3 types of mobile phones: Type-C, iPhone, and Android. And it can also charge 2 mobile phones at the same time. The interface has a leather design, so you can charge directly without taking out the phone case. Take it with you and go out to attract the envy sight of passerby. Cute and interesting charging cable. Do you like it?